Hey guys, today let's learn how to solve unable to turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. So in the case that you guys have Do Not Disturb turned on over on your focus sessions right here, and you have it turned on like that, in the case that you cannot turn it off, well, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to turn it off, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Okay guys, so if you cannot, just go ahead and just tap on that button to directly turn it off. One more thing that we could also do is to go ahead and tap on settings, tap on focus right here, and then go on over to your Do Not Disturb, enable it, or tap on that option, and as you see, you can actually see its settings. What we can do from here is to actually go ahead and try to change its name to another name. Actually, you could see that that is not available, so the most that we could actually do is to change its apps, change its options, as you see right here, and that is basically going to give you, of course, an option to turn it off once you go back onto your control centers and turn that focus session or the Do Not Disturb back off. But in the case it's still not working, I would like you guys to go ahead and launch your settings again, tap on General, and go on over to Software Update, and make sure that you have the latest versions of iOS. This is basically going to fix bugs like this, and you're going to have the best user experience possible. And once that is done, I would like you guys to also restart your devices. So to do so, let's tap on our assistive touches, tap on Device, More, Restart, and then tap on Restart again to successfully restart your devices. That's going to solve your issue. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tag In Tutorials.